Discovery plus free trial. Discovery Plus offers a free trial for new subscribers, allowing them to explore its vast library of documentaries, reality shows, and original content before committing to a paid subscription. The free trial period provides full access to all features and programming. 1. Duration of the free trial. Discovery Plus offers a 7-day free trial for new subscribers. During this period, users can access all content available on the platform without any restrictions. 2. How to sign up. To start a free trial, users need to visit the Discovery Plus website or download the app, choose a subscription plan, create an account, and enter valid payment details. Third, access. During the trial period, subscribers can watch all Discovery Plus content, including exclusive shows, reality TV, nature documentaries, and science-based series, without limitations during the free trial. 4. Subscription plans after trial. After the trial ends, users are automatically charged based on the selected plan. Discovery Plus offers an ad-supported plan and an ad-free premium plan, each with different pricing. 5. Cancellation Policy. Users who do not wish to continue after the free trial must cancel their subscription before the trial ends to avoid being charged. The cancellation process can be done through account settings in the app or website. 6. Additional free trial offers. Some third-party services such as streaming platforms and telecom providers may offer different Discovery Plus trial durations. These promotional trials vary based on provider agreements. 7. Eligibility Criteria. The free trial is available only to new subscribers who have not previously used a Discovery Plus free trial. A valid payment method is required to activate the trial. Discovery Plus provides a 7-day free trial, allowing users to explore its content before deciding on a paid subscription. Users should cancel before the trial ends if they do not wish to continue, ensuring they are not charged automatically.